Kameran takana löytyy Marko Bjurström.
Hyvää iltaa.
Jälleen kerran. Ja kuivaharjoittelut alkavat illan tapahtumia varten. Ole hyvä, Marko. Hi.
Hi, my name is Marko. I'm from Finland. I'm the working in Onnela Ravintola, Onnela Restaurant. And I'm wanna take some picture at what is moving. The video taping. It's okay if I ask some questions for you?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think the Finnish competitions? Oh yes, thanks. Do you wanna come back to next year? Do you think you are good tonight?
Kuole.
Yes, of course.
Mä kuolen. Kylmä ilmastointia nyt.
You will come back to next year?
Sä kysyit siitä.
Do you like Finnish girls? Okay. It's pleasure to meet you and take this photo with you. And that's it.
It's fiiliksi.
What is your feeling tonight? I mean the whole thing. You are Finland, and there's people on you. There's girl. That's it.
Miten suomalaisen kasvot?
What do you think this Finnish level in flirting?
No nyt hyvät illat meillä ja sitten minä mennään tähän loppuun.
What do you do tonight? do you think you drink tonight? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, it's have a nice evening and maybe we see you next year. Oh, I hope so.